Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the amazing Grass Kidz Superfood, organic vegan superfood nutrition shake for kids, greens, fruits, veggies with pre and probiotics. Berry blast 30 servings. If it is not sweet enough for your child, add a little of Pediasure or throw it in a smoothie with fruit. It is made up of very finely ground foods like peas and wheatgrass, so no matter what you do there is going to be a grainy texture. I was obsessed with this stuff. It helps pull my mommy brain from consistent trying to find ways to sneak veggies into everything. Love it. The lesson here is that it's not for everyone. It doesn't help that the mixture, be it chocolate or strawberry, looks rather greenish, which makes it harder to get the kiddos to drink it. Mind you, it doesn't leave unmixed globs and floaters the way some protein drinks do. The problem is that the mix, unless drunk, quickly congeals into a sludge at the bottom of the cup. If you mix it with a little water first, get it smooth, then add say almond milk, and it mixes better this way. The one weird thing about it is that sometimes there is a thin green color on top of the milk, but it mostly disappears when you stir it again. He loves chocolate milk, so the chocolate flavor, although it does not totally mask the green smell or flavor, does the job. It doesn't bother one of my girls, but one is very sensitive to stevia's taste and struggles with this one. It would not be beneficial if you heat it up, say in a cookie or brownie, so that is not an option, and those are not healthy. So my daughter loves this stuff. It is a great way to get a lot of nutrition into a morning smoothie for her without all the sugar of some products. You can add a bit of organic sugar to help ease the taste of all the plant-based proteins and healthy goodness inside. Add a little ice water, fresh fruit, and some sweetener of choice, and this can become a very pleasant tasting treat. My older son didn't comment on the flavor, but my younger son noticed it and declared it yucky, but proceeded to finish his smoothie. They totally approve of the taste. This doesn't have the saccharine aftertaste that most protein powders have, but it has good natural flavor. As the directions mention, it is easiest to mix it with milk if you add a little water and mix the powder into the water before adding the milk. Only thing is, it doesn't stay mixed well in a cup of your child doesn't drink it fast enough. But if kids don't know the difference, they should take to this pretty well. The key is to dissolve in water first and add the milk. This product is a lifesaver. Quality ingredients and a yummy taste make it easy to make smoothies the whole family loves. Love the regular superfood, but the kids taste so good you can even mix it into a glass of milk or applesauce. This has been a hit with my daughter, who loves to have this kind of stuff, but for me, well, let us take a look. This powder does have pea protein in it, so peas tend to give you gas. Well, you might want to slowly test this out with your system. Okay, for the people who complain about the flavor, it is never going to taste like Hershey's sugary chocolate. My girl loves it, but she has never had the sugary kind. My pediatrician sent me on an online hunt for immune boosters for my son's diet when he contracted mono at age 6, specifically for this product among a few others. It is a good substitute for fresh fruit and veggie that my son doesn't like, but he loved to drink this. This plant-based superfood powder from Amazing Grass is marketed as a product for children, while it is not really much different than their regular superfood powders. The taste makes it hard for my toddler to eat, but if you can mix it into something flavorful, not milk or eater, then it is easier to get down. Either way, in a world where it gets increasingly difficult to get all the nutrients into kids, this seems to be a helpful adjunct to a parent's efforts. My kids don't eat as many veggies as they need to, so this is a great way to help achieve that. My son looks and feels better since he has been taking this every day, and it goes down like a treat when you make it into a frozen sweet delight. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.